Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. I hope y'all are having a very good day today. I am. Today we're gonna be juicing apples and friends. Yes. So y'all, we got 6 pounds of apples today. 6. I found some apples on sale, and so I figured I'm gonna do sort of kind of like a fruit punch kind of thing. So the star is the apples, okay? So we're just gonna juice all of these apples. You can see it filling up in the reservoir. I'm draining it out right now. And I can juice whole apples in my juicer, y'all. And it juices up the phlegm, the seeds, the core, and it all comes out in the pulp right there building up. So I'm pouring in my first cup of juice. And y'all, if you've never had apple juice fresh, it's so good. It tastes nothing like the stuff in the store. So here we go. Here comes the friends. So with the 6 pounds of apples, I'm gonna be adding in 3 oranges, and I'm gonna get those peel took off of the 3 oranges. That's going to give us a lot of juice. And then I'm going to put those in there. And then I am going to chop up the 3 lemons. And y'all, let me tell y'all something. The lemons was organic. They smelled so good. I mean, lemons smell good anyway, but these lemons were big and pretty and they smelled really good. So I said I'm going to put those in my juice today. So, um my second batch of juice is ready to pour out. Actually, I think that's my third one, but I'm not sure. Anyway, I got some juice going into my bowls and we're going to keep it moving. I'm not going to waste y'all's time. I'm chopping up the oranges still. I try to cut them up in smaller pieces just to be doing something. I can definitely put those in hold as well. Um, so now we're gonna put in some more friends. I got 3 peaches. Now, these peaches, I almost dropped the ball. So you're gonna see in a minute, I made a major mistake with the peaches. And I hope y'all never do this. Okay? So, uh, wait. I realized I made an error. I put that peach in while the motor was going, and I forgot that it has a nut in the middle of the peach. That would have tore my machine up if I hadn't have thought about it. So that's why I had to say, wait a minute, and take it out and cut out that the nut. Look how big that thing was. Oh my gosh. Uh, Who? I saved myself right there, y'all. So let me, cause this is my first time juicing peaches. So I forgot to take out the little um nut, whatever it's called. That thing was big and all 3 of them. So now we can get it started back. And these peaches smelled really good. They were so um right. And now you see me holding up the ginger. I'll have to put ginger in every juice that I make. It just makes it taste so good. And it helps with my arthritis. So I have to have ginger in every one of my juices, okay? And now, look at there, y'all. I found the prettiest strawberries. Yes, I did. And I bought 2 bushels of them. And so now we finna pour some more juice out. This made so much juice, and plus, I'm gonna dilute it. because this juice is so potent. You have to thin it out, especially when you add in all those strawberries with the pulp. And it turned out to be a very beautiful color. So I took my mom a couple of bottles. Look how big that strawberry is. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I took my mom a couple of bottles. She's not a juicing person. She likes juice, but I've never taken her some of my homemade juice. She says she liked it, so I'm so glad that she did like it. And we're almost at the end. Once I juice the strawberries, those are it. I just want y'all to see this color. I wanted y'all to see um the fruit that I put in there. So I'm gonna dump out my pulp, dump out my last cup of juice, and I'm getting every bit I'm getting every bit of juice in that bowl. And you want to strain this, y'all. I don't know if I said that earlier. Look at the apple juice and the lemon. In the white bowl, that's the apple juice and the lemon. Look how brown it's turned. Um, and that's because apples do that. I mean, they oxidize really, really, really fast. Don't ever let that stop y'all from juicing apples because they're gonna turn brown regardless. Even with me putting lemon juice in there, it turned brown. So now I'm just mixing the red juice with the apple juice. And now I'm putting some cream of coconut. Oh my gosh, this is like a treat for me. I put this flavor in another juice that I made and it was the bomb. Y'all, I wound up using three 16-ounce bottles of water in this juice because it was so thick. And you're gonna see how much juice this made here shortly. But I'm straining it again, and now I'm finna just pour it up in my bottles and my jars and get it put. Some of them going in the refrigerator, some of them are going in the freezer, and I really liked how this turned out. It had a good taste. I hope y'all give it a try if you have never mixed these fruits together. Have a good night.